You're visualizing. You're doing affirmations. You're trying to stay positive. But still, nothing seems to happen. So why does manifestation sometimes feel so slow? It's not because you're doing it wrong. It's usually because your subconscious is still running an outdated program. Even if your conscious mind says, I'm successful, your subconscious might still be looping thoughts like, I'm not worthy. It never works for me. People like me don't get that kind of life. That creates a disconnect and resistance. Manifestation works best when your subconscious beliefs match your conscious desires. So how do you shift those deep beliefs? Consistency is key. Daily affirmations, visualizations, journaling. But if you want to go deeper and faster, I recommend the thegeniuswave. It uses brainwave frequencies to help your mind get into a state where old beliefs can be released and new ones installed. Try it while you journal or meditate. It's been a game changer for me.